Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are all doing amazing and having an amazing week. So today I have a haul video for you, but it's not just any normal haul. It is a online haul for the company cherryz.com. So first of all, let me just give you a little bit of a background and just talk to you about what this is and why I've decided to do this video. So Cherryz basically is an app, which I'll show you here. And basically this app has loads and loads of different products on for really inexpensive prices. When I was shopping through it, it kind of reminded me of like B&M, to be honest. It's like an online B&M. So you can get loads of stuff. So if I go to the Discover, there's like bundle deals, food and drink, health, beauty, household stuff, there's pets, there's kitchen, diner, lots of different things. So then if you click, for example, if I click on beauty, there's loads of different products for really inexpensive prices. If I then go to freebies, what happens is every time you place an order with them, you get points, and it's like cherries. So you can then buy, like, get things for free. So I've got 102 cherries from my last purchase. So I can then just go through and purchase, like, add things onto an order for free. So I did place a huge order with them. They have also given me some discounts for you guys. So I will leave all the links below. There is a link in the description box below where you can download the app. And there is also a code, which is Chelsea20, which will give you 20% off the first purchase. I do want to mention though, it's only valid on the app. So you have to download the app and go through the app. Don't go online and do it online because you won't get the 20%. So I will leave everything below that you will need. But yeah, let's just get started. So it's a huge box, like, oh, it's massive. So let's just jump straight in. God, everything is pink and cherry. Like, look. Even the packaging has cherries. Okay, wow, there's a lot in this box. Let's go through it. So there's a mixture of different things in here, from beauty to home to just lots of different stuff. So we're gonna just pull out random things and just go through it one by one. So the first thing I got was a new foundation brush. This is the blusher brush from Glamour Essentials, and it is literally just a foundation brush, and it's really, really dense, really good quality actually. So I'll leave all the prices and everything below as well in case you want to purchase the same products. So the next thing I got was 2 of these Zafloras. Now these are my absolute favorite Zafloras. I love these. These are the tropical twist ones. They just make the place smell like holiday, summer, happy, like flowers, happy. I use this stuff everywhere, absolutely everywhere. I like to use it on my worktops. I use it on the floor. Something that I was made aware of as well by someone on here, so thank you so much. Just in case you guys didn't know, is this can be quite poisonous to dogs or other animals. So if you're using this on the floor, please just make sure it is dry before letting them walk on it, because otherwise they lick their paws and then it's really bad for them. So yeah, this is my absolute favorite one, but Zaflora is amazing for cleaning and disinfecting absolutely anything. I also got these. So these are the extra strength vac fresheners. So you basically put these in your vacuum cleaner and it makes them smell nice. I don't actually know what, oh, Spring Meadow is the scent. Let's just give this a scent. The idea is that when you're hoovering, it makes the carpet smell good. Oh, you have to actually open them. Oh, it smells really good. That does smell really good. I'm really bad at explaining smells. A sherbety smell, like it smells like sweets. So yeah, we'll give those a go. We'll see if they're any good. I'm all about nice smells in the house. So the next thing I picked up was this. So I have these, oh my God, what is going on? I have these all around my house. These are the nice, like, smelling thingamajiggies. You put them in the wall, the plug, and then they make a smell. And they've got 3 different scents so that you don't get used to it and you always smell them. But this one said it like helps you sleep. And I was a bit like, this would be amazing in the bedroom. So, oh my God. It smells like lavender, and like, I now just want to sleep. It smells like lavender. It's really nice, but it's got like a nice sweet smell to it as well. It's not just lavender, it's like it's mixed with something. So I thought these would be nice. They'd help you sleep. I also picked up 2 of these original sauce. These are the cherry and almond milk ones. I'm obsessed with these. Oh my God, the smell. the smell. They just smell incredible. These are really moisturizing as well, and they're really good for sensitive to dry skin. So I really like these. I think that the fragrance, you can always smell it. Even after you get out of the shower, you can still smell it. I picked up 2 because I'm also going to take one on holiday. I also really like how thin and just like easy they are to carry. But these are also vegan free and 100% natural fragrance. So yeah, I did pick up 2 of these. Staying on the whole bath theme, I also did pick up this. I love Dove for the same reason. Dove is very good for sensitive skin, for dry skin. It really helps to just keep your skin hydrated. But I've never seen this one before. This is the coconut and jasmine petals, and it's got 0 sulfates in. So again, I wanted to try this. Let's just give this a whiff. Everything is just making me want to get in the bath. Oh, that has the most incredible, like, relaxing smell. Does that make sense? So yeah, I love anything bath products that have like a nice smell. And this is also a big one. This is 500 milliliters. So I'm excited to put that in my bathroom. So the next thing I got, really boring, but just oval cotton pads. I use these every single night to remove my makeup with my micellar water, and also to tone. So I just picked up some more of those. I like these rather than the circle ones because they have more room on them. I also picked up a face mask. So I got the tea tree peel off mask. I remember using these when I was a kid, and like we used to have sleepovers. We'd always get these 7th Heaven masks, and they were actually always quite good, but they were always really nice. And I saw tea tree, and obviously I know tea tree is good for minimizing pores, getting rid of blemishes. So I thought as a peel off as well, that would be nice to kind of detox your skin. Staying on that sort of pamper theme, I did get some foot packs. Now I love foot masks. I think they're amazing, especially if you're someone who wears heels for work, or you're just always on your feet. You'd be amazed the difference these make. So they did quite a few nice ones. They did an argan oil one, so I picked that one up. Enriched with Moroccan argan oil and vitamin E to deeply moisturize the skin. So they're basically like little socks. And you tear them and you tie them, and then they stay on your feet for 20 minutes. I got the exfoliating foot peel one. This is tea tree and peppermint, which is just so refreshing for your feet. I've had this one before, and it just makes your feet feel completely rejuvenated. Like if your feet hurt, this won't no longer. And this also does help the skin come off your feet that's dry. So it says here it starts working within 7 to 10 days. You are not meant to pull any skin off. You're meant to let it come away naturally. If you are going to use these, don't use these right before a holiday or anything like that. Give your feet time, because your feet can look minging afterwards just for a few days, because all the skin comes off. Not all the skin of your feet, but like the dry skin. And then I just got a normal one as well, the tea tree and peppermint, so not the dry skin exfoliating one. So I picked up a Love Hearts Trio lip balm. So it's got 3 little lip balms in, which I thought would just smell amazing. I'm gonna open this now. The first one is called, the first one is strawberry. This one is apple. They do smell like Love Hearts. I know you'd kind of expect that, but this one's lemon, and they are see-through. Let's just, I know I've got a bit of lipstick on, but let's just, oh. They're very moisturising. Oh, they do really taste like Love Hearts. So I thought I'd just get these. They're just cute to keep one in your handbag. Who doesn't like the smell of Love Hearts as well? Oh, I got 2 of these. So I also picked up this, which I hadn't seen before. So this is the microwave steam cleaner. It says it removes stubborn food stains, grime, and kills germs and bacteria, and works in 2 minutes. So I think you literally just put this in the microwave. Oh, you empty a sachet into the microwave, turn it on, and then wipe away with a clean sponge. So I am very OCD, as you guys know. So I'm excited to try this to see if it's actually good, because microwaves are a disgusting place. I got Dave a bone. I saw pets and I was like, I couldn't resist. So this is a light up bone, so you can see if you hit it, it flashes. I'm not sure if he's really going to be interested in it, but we'll see. They have a lot of dog toys and things like that on there as well. I feel like this site is so good for gifts. So even like, I know we've just passed Christmas, but it would have been ideal at Christmas. Like I needed it at Christmas. Again, really boring, but just a microwave food bowl, because we're always just using like plastic containers and they're just always getting ruined, and it just spills everywhere. So this is the one with the lid, so you can just pop it in the microwave and pull it straight out, and then, you know, put your food wherever. Charcoal eye gel patches enriched with vitamin C. It says innovative Hydro Gel Patches, keeps your eyes bright and fresh. So again, we'll try these maybe in like the next makeup tutorial and we'll see if these are any good. But I just love a pamper. I know a lot of people tend to use these before they do their makeup, so maybe we'll do that and we'll see what these are like. Really boring, but just some Anjax wipes, you know, washlets. Just to keep everything hella fresh down there. Okay, so I'm gonna do the last boring thing and then there's a few makeup bits. So I just got some scissors. I really needed some new household scissors and they had scissors, so I ordered some scissors. I picked up this bronzer, blush and highlighter palette from Hide and Chick. This is Barry M. I'm guessing this is like a discontinued product, but it's just got, this looks like a really nice contour shade, and then it's got some highlighters. I also picked up this. So this is the Barefaced Chick Natural Palette. And this reminded me of the Urban Decay palettes, which is why I picked it up. It does come with a brush, but if you look, it's got very, very similar vibes. I thought this would be good for like taking on holiday. I then got another Barry M palette. So I got the Mythology eyeshadow and highlight palette. So again, I feel like this would just be more of a convenience palette. It's got a couple of nice like glossy eyeshadows in, and then it also has some highlighters here. So let's just swatch. Oh, that's really pretty, that one. Do you see that one? That's really nice. And then let's just try one of these eyeshadows. They're almost like they've got different color effects. So like this one's got green and brown in, glittery, but they've got like different color effects in as well. I also picked up, they had some of the Barry M Gloss Me Up lip kits. So this one was in the shade Gloss Kit Baby, is that right? Or is that just 816? So this basically comes with a gloss and also a lip liner. To me, this looks very pink. We'll just do a little swatch so we can see what it's like. Oh, okay, so this is like a baby pink. I'm running out of room. This is like a baby pink shade, but actually when you draw it on, it's not baby pink at all. It looks baby pink, but it's more of like a hot pink. And then the gloss, let's try the gloss. Oh, it's very glossy. I'm just gonna swatch that here. Oh, it smells like cherries. I'm not even joking, it really smells nice. So yeah, just a nice little pink gloss. And then the final thing that I got was this bronzing kit. And again, I thought this would be amazing for holidays. So this is by Technic and it's the bronzing kit. So in here you get a bronzing face gel. Oh, okay, so it's like a bronzing, I know I've just put that all over my hand. It's like a bronzing, oh, look at that. Do you know what? That would be really nice for holiday. So like in the evenings, put it on your skin. It's got a little bronzer in, but it's also very glittery. I suppose the idea is that it's meant to make your face look more tanned, but actually that would look really nice like on your body. Then there's a lip balm. Oh my god, which I can't get out. It's like the EOS lip balm style. So it's just a bronzing lip balm, which I think is just like a nude shimmer. Let me put it here. It's very sheer, but it has got like a little illumination in. Doesn't really smell of anything, but we'll give that a go again maybe in the next makeup tutorial and just see what that's like. And then the last thing is an oil, a face oil. Again, yeah, if you're looking to bronze your face maybe for a night out or something like that, you also get a face tint. That's my haul. Like I said, I will leave a 20% discount below. To be honest, I feel like this app is just fun. They change their things all the time on there, and like I say, it kind of reminded me of like when you go into B&M or somewhere like that and you see all the different things that they do. This website kind of does those things, but really, really inexpensive. Most of the products are only £1, even some of the makeup. So have a download of the app, have a little look, and if you do decide to order anything, like I say, I will leave below the discount, but it's Chelsea 20 if you want to use it. So let me guys know if you also do use this website. I'd like to know what you think of it, and they do change it up all the time. Like I say, I think they've put occasions on there, so at the minute they've got Easter, especially if you've got young kids, they've got like a lot of games and activities and things like that you can buy on there. So thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.